Hello?
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 Yes, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yes, my name is Gertrude Ethenburge. I saw your ad in the Penny Power.
What are you interested in?
It said a toolbox. I want,
Craftsman Toolbox?
yes, I want that for my husband.
Okay, it's in two pieces.
Oh, it's in two pieces, is it?
And it's on rollers. And they have keys to lock the drawers.
What is it on a roller?
Yeah, it's on rollers also.
Oh, what is it? So you can move it. You move it, do you?
You can move it all around the garage or move it out the street.
Oh, okay. Because I wanted to get this for my husband for his birthday, even though he has plenty of them, but he likes them. He just likes them. He fills them with the tools.
Well, I got a lot of tools too, but I'm 85 years old now. I got to downsize.
How old are you?
85.
Oh, that's 85. That's how old George is. George is 85.
Well,
No, I'm not yet. No, he's 84. He's 84. So maybe when he's 85, he'll sell it.
well, I tell my wife I'm not 85 anymore. I'm 48.
You're going there. Oh, that's good for you. Good for you. So, how many drawers does it have?
Let me open the garage door. I'm outside. I'll tell you right now.
Yeah, I want to know how many. I want to know how many drawers it has. And it has four wheels, does it?
Hold on. Mary, open the other door for me. Oh, never mind. They're in a car opening my garage doors with me, trying to get in.
Geez, you got a bad connection on your phone. Are you on a cell phone?
Yeah, I'm on the cell phone.
Oh, geez, it's a bad connection. What is that, T-Mobile or something you have there?
On the garage door.
Oh, you're with Verizon. Oh, okay.
Craftsman Toolbox.
Oh, it's black. Well, I thought Craftsman was a red. Was red.
Well, they do have ratchets in Craftsman.
Oh, okay.
Now, let me explain to you. It has a pound tray. It has a lid that closes.
Oh.
There's 1, 2, 3 small drawers, 3 big drawers, 2 big drawers at the top part. It has 1, 2, 3 bottom drawers and a big enclosure in the bottom. The panel comes up and goes down. It's large here, but it'd be 24 by 10. Biggest drawer in it.
Oh, okay. Does it come with the tools?
No, the tools are mine.
Oh, you're not selling the tools with it?
No.
Oh, okay.
But it has 1, 2, 3 keys with locks, and I have all the keys for them, and they're all.
What'd you say? A swivel lock? What's a swivel lock?
No, they're not swivel lock. That's 3 locks on it.
Oh, 3 locks. Oh, three locks. Oh, okay. You lock it 3 times, do you?
You can lock it 3 times, but 1 key open small.
Oh, 1 key open. Why is there 3 locks if the 1 key works all of them?
Well, it's a master key, like 1 key to open.
When is it?
You got 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of keys there.
Oh.
And they're all keyed the same.
Oh, they all key the same.
Right.
Oh. Well, how much do you want for it? Let's talk business.
Well, what do I have in the paper?
Oh, he wrote this down for me. I have no idea what was in the paper. He just told me, he said, I was interested in...
I have it marked down inside. I can tell you what it was.
Oh, you have it marked down? Okay. Yes. Let me know what you want for it, and we'll talk business.
All right, hold on.
Who's that? Who's that talking to you?
My sister-in-law. They just came home, my wife and my sister-in-law.
Oh, wow. They came home, did they? Oh, where were they? Were they out on vacation?
They were out shopping.
Oh, they out shopping, were they? Okay.
They do their own thing.
Oh, they leave you alone?
Right.
They leave the old man alone, do they?
Okay, let's see what we got here.
Now, don't mind me. I like the wheel and deal. I like it. I like the wheel and deal. So we might have a little bit negotiations going on here. I'm known to wheel and deal, but I'm fair. I'm very fair, but I wheel and deal.
Okay, wait a minute. I gotta get the penny car. I got circled in a penny car. Yeah, she said your address. See, I spent 29 years in the Air Force.
Oh, did you? 49 years in the Air Force. God bless you.
29.
Oh, 39 years. Jeez.
29 years.
Oh, 29.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's a lot. That's a long time.
All right, here it is.
Okay. What? Hello?
I'm here. Just hold on. I'm trying to find it.
Oh, okay. I thought I lost you there for a second.
No, you didn't lose me.
Oh, okay. Good. All right. It's not red. He wanted a red box. It's not red.
All right.
Maybe I could paint it for him. I could spray paint it.
This is immaculate. You don't have to spray paint it.
Well, he wanted a red one. He's very particular. George, he wanted a red one. George is very particular. I don't know why he wants one. He's in the chair now. He doesn't even use his tools. He just likes the boxes and he likes to put things in them.
Well, if you see my garage, you'll see all the boxes I got in my garage.
Oh, how many? Oh, George he must have 5 or 6 boxes.
Well, I have about 20 pieces of furniture that I stack.
Oh my goodness! Are you a collector, or are you?
Yeah, I'm a collector too. I got musical clocks, every.
Oh, are you a hoarder? George is a hoarder.
You call me a hoarder.
Oh, geez, what do you collect? All kinds of items, do you?
Here it is. Craftsman roll away toolbox.
What do you mean it rolls away? I don't want it to roll away.
Wheels on. You can roll it.
Oh, so it's not gonna. So if I put it in his shop, it's not gonna roll away from him, is it?
No, you gotta push it.
Because he's in the chair now. If it hits him, he's gonna roll with it.
I bought that toolbox a year ago. It's brand new.
Oh, it's brand new, is it?
I paid $350 for it.
Oh.
I advertised it for $300, and I'm asking $250.
So you advertised it for $300, but you want $250?
Right.
Well, I got a question for you.
What's that?
If you advertised it for $300, why would you want $250?
Because that's what I want it for. You put a deal out on $25, I'll $225 this year.
Well, that's a good deal, isn't it?
That's a good deal.
And what year was it made?
Well, I couldn't tell you what year, but I bought it 2 years ago. See, they make these toolboxes by the thousands.
Oh, by the thousands, do they? Oh.
They're supplied, they're sold at Home Depot, they're sold at Lowe's.
Oh, where'd you get yours? At the Home Depot, the Home
I got mine at Lowe's Department Store.
Lowe's Department Store. I never heard of it.
Lowe's. You can call it the department store. You can call it a lumber yard. You can call it anything you want.
Oh, Lowe's. Lowe's Home Improvement.
Oh, Lowe's Home Improvement, Home Depot sells them, Tractor Supply
Oh, okay. And it doesn't come with tools?
No, it doesn't come with tools. I have all Craftsman tools. I got all kinds of tools.
Do you want to know something about Craftsman? My husband, George, he loves Craftsman. And I told another fellow this not that long ago because I bought an item for my husband, George. It was a Craftsman tool. And I called and I bought it for him. Very nice gentleman. Very nice. I told him. I told him, I said, do I know a lot of people buy Craftsman because they think it's made in the USA. Well, I did research. It's not all made in the USA.
Well, I'll tell you what,
A lot of the parts are shipped out from China. Did you know that?
Well, some tools are made in the United States.
Not all, but not all the parts. Not all the parts are. You're not hearing what I'm saying. Not all the parts. All the parts are shipped out from China.
That's their lawnmower equipment and their power equipment.
Oh,
their tools are guaranteed for the life. If they're rusty or bent, if you find a rusty Craftsman, you take it to Home Depot, you get a brand new one. No questions asked.
Oh, really?
Now,
really?
Now, you have a Craftsman weed whacker or a Craftsman lawnmower.
Oh, they make a weed whacker, do they? I didn't know they made weed whackers.
They made weed whackers, they make lawnmowers, they make
mowers, oh.
They make sounds, and they're all made in Japan and Mexico.
Oh.
I wouldn't give you 2 cents for a Craftsman lawnmower or any power. Because they're all junk.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Now, if you want a good piece of equipment, you gotta go with John Deere.
Oh, yeah, well, that's what he has back there. He's got a Deere back there.
So,
he loves this John Deere.
The Toolbox, 2 1/4 out the door.
It comes with a door. What do you mean out the door? I don't know.
I'm selling it. I'll give it for $225 out the door.
What is that? What do you mean out the door? I don't understand that.
It's a sale pitch.
You just called me a bitch?
No, it's a sale pitch.
Oh, I thought you said it's a sale, bitch. I thought that was very rude.
No, I wouldn't insult nobody.
Oh, I thought you called me. I thought you said it was a sale, you bitch. Oh, okay. Your phone connection's horrible. That's why I can't understand it all. So you buy and sell items, do you? Because maybe we could do a trade. Are you interested in trading?
No, I have nothing to trade. I wouldn't have done.
No. I'll give you. George has items out there that you wouldn't believe.
Well, I got items you wouldn't believe.
Well, this is what I'm saying. Maybe you give me the toolbox for George, and I'll give you an item that he has for an even swap. What do you think of it?
What does he have to swap me?
Oh, jeez.
Does he have a Cadillac to swap me?
A Cadillac for a toolbox? I don't think that's very fair.
Well, then I don't need nothing. I got table saws. I got radial saws. I got hand saws.
Do you have a planer? Do you have a planer?
I have a planer.
Oh, is that for sale? Because he was talking about a planer the other day.
Because that's for my son. He wants that.
Oh, planers. Yeah, he was talking about a planer the other day. And I don't know what he's going to do with it because he can't leave the chair. I don't know how he's going to do it. But he wanted a planer. Basically,
I sit down sometimes at work, so he can do the same.
Oh, no. His fingers are all bent in all different directions. He can't. He's losing his hearing. We're trying to teach him sign language because he can't understand a lick of anything.
Well, maybe he has arthritis.
Oh, he's got arthritis, yeah. Oh, he does.
Oh, I'm starting to get it. That's why I'm downsizing. I'm selling everything.
Oh, you're selling everything, are you? But not the planer. You're not selling that.
The planer I need the most time because he asked for it.
Oh, okay. Well, he has an airplane back there from 1963.
I'm not interested in any airplane.
Oh.
I did enough flying in the Air Force.
Yeah, that's why I thought maybe you'd like it.
No.
That's a sale pitch.
That's a sale pitch, right?
Yeah, I was trying to do a sale pitch with you.
So to own an airplane
just to get that thing out there, because my grandson, he said he wanted it, but he doesn't have any interest in it. It's just been sitting there.
To own an airplane today, you got to have a hangar. You got to pay rent to put it in the hangar. You got to fly it once a week. Coding again.
Oh, this thing hasn't been flown since, geez, I can't even tell you when. I was a young lady when we flew in that thing.
Well, you have to get it recertified then.
Yeah. Yeah. We had a lot of good times in that airplane. We really did.
Anyway,
we were part of the Mile High Club.
If you went to saw, you
We were part of the Mile High Club. We had a lot of fun in that airplane. Back when George had his spunk left in him, we had a lot of fun. Now he does.
I did.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun in that airplane. A lot of fun.
Okay, Carmen, let's go. Okay.
Hey, who's that? Is that the people that are coming back from their shopping?
That's my wife. She said it's time to eat. Let's go.
Oh, it's time to eat, is it? Okay. What you having for dinner?
I don't know. Whatever she makes, I eat.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Good for you. What was your name? What was your name? I'll call you back. What was your name?
Carmine.
Carmine.
C. Carmine.
C. Carmine.
Carmine. C-A-R-M-I-N-E.
Oh, come. Okay, that's simple enough.
I don't need an airplane because I was in the airport.
No, that's fine. I understand. I really don't want to get rid of it anyway because it has a lot of sentimental value to me.
Well, keep it.
Yeah, I'm going to keep it because when he passes, I might get out there and sit in there and think about the good days when he'd really rail it to me and we'd have a good time in it. Because he used to really give it to me good in that thing. He really did. He was a good man in there, and we'd make sweet love in that thing, and I don't want to get rid of it.
Well, I've been married for 40 years.
Then you've made love in airplanes.
Children, I got 4 boys, a girl.
Oh, then you made love in plenty of airplanes, didn't you?
I lost one boy at 12 years old.
Oh, geez, God bless you. I'm sorry to hear that. Oh, that really breaks my heart.
I gotta go eat supper. I won't.
Okay, well, you go eat. Come right, and I'll talk to you.
All right, take care.
All right, thank you very much.
All right, bye.
Bye now.